This is my go-to cough mixture for when the kids are sick. All you need is honey and lemon. Start by cutting a lemon in half. Squeeze the juice into a small bowl. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and can help boost your immune system. Next, add a tablespoon of honey to the lemon juice. Honey has antibacterial properties and can coat your throat, providing relief from coughing. Stir it all together until it's well combined. You can take a spoonful whenever you feel a cough coming on. And there you have it. A simple homemade cough syrup made with everyday foods. It's natural, soothing, and easy to make.